Purpose of this video is to simply introduce the different parties to a trial, whether it be criminal or civil. And we're going to start out with the criminal trial. Understand that in a crime situation, the government prosecutes the person accused of committing the crime on behalf of the people. And so we have the government on one side and the accused on the other. And representing the government is the prosecutor. And the prosecutor can be called different names. It could be a district attorney or an assistant district attorney at the state or local level. At the federal level, it could be a U.S. attorney. But either way, the prosecutor is the generic term we use to describe the government in a criminal case. On the other hand, we have the accused, who is known as the defendant. And so that is the person who's being put on trial by the government in a criminal case. Now, as far as a civil case goes, the government plays less of a role. They are not one of the two adversarial sides in most civil cases. Instead, the government's mainly responsible just for providing a courtroom, providing a jury, compelling witnesses to testify. So we have two basically private groups on either side, and it could be individuals, it could be businesses, but let's say it's just a simple car accident. And we have the person who's injured in the car accident and claims it's the other person's fault, and so they sue. We call that person the plaintiff. This is the person who claims that the other person has injured them in some way. Maybe not physically, it could be financially, it could be some other means. But they are the people or person who is going to sue. And then on the other end, again, the person who's being sued is called the defendant. As we can look at the blonde-haired woman conferring with her attorney, we could assume that she's the one who caused the auto accident, and so she's being sued. So basically, if you're the defendant, whether it be criminal or civil, you're the party in a case that is really in the trial against their own will. In a criminal case, the prosecution prosecutes the defendant, and in a civil case, the plaintiff is the one who sues the defendant. So just a quick introduction, just so we can speak quickly and intelligently about these things as we move forward.